Hi, Jamie. This is Christian with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow or Trulia, things like that. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So I have your Facebook pulled up here. The only thing I would recommend adding to your Facebook would be potentially like a hyphen and then Realtor, so that somebody that is scrolling through the area would see that you're a realtor and they might potentially find you that way and give you a call. And it doesn't look like you have a website, in your info. So if you do have one, I apologize. But for the purpose of this video, I did find your Icon Real Estate Group description website. So that's what we're going to use. So I'm not sure how much you can actually do with this because you don't technically own it. But if you had your own website, these things would be applied to that website if you ever do decide to get one of your own, which I would recommend. But either way, content. So content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos and how the photos are saved. So I'm not sure if you know, but like a lot of times when we upload photos on the computer will create a file name for the photo that usually consists of just letters and numbers, hashtags and exclamation points. And it really has no rhyme or rhythm to it. And so the thing you got to keep in mind is that search engines, Google in particular, read on the back end how you save your photos as. And so obviously if it's saved as tree, it's not going to bring you any value. But if it's saved as home for sale in Eugene, it's going to bring you some value. So all your photos, you want to make sure you save the right way. And then obviously words are important too, but alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. So just kind of get yourself familiar with those terminology and then do your homework and make sure you implement all that into your website. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. And so those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those are going to give you citations. The more you have, the higher you rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Eugene, Oregon real estate agents. We got Amy Thompson, we got United Real Estate, we got Eugene Realty Group, okay? So yeah, a lot of times you are competing with brokerages, but if you scroll through here, you'll see a lot of individual realtors too. Juan Ramito, Trisha West, John Davis. So there are individual realtors that have their Google My Business pages, and believe me, they're getting leads from them. So for the purposes of this video, so first of all, I would highly recommend getting yourself a Google My Business page and then getting yourself as many citations as you can to beat these guys. But this is what a typical Google My Business page looks like. So I used Amy Thompson Homes as for the purposes of this video. This is what it's going to look like. You're going to get your own Google My Business page. I know a lot of people are concerned with the address, but you actually don't have to have the address shown. So the address can be hidden. Unless you just use your work office address, which is fine too. So you're more than happy or welcome to use your brokerage's address if they'll let you. If not, and you have to use your home, then you can just have it hidden out. But if that's a concern, if not, you're going to want to make sure you complete your profile with a phone number, hours, address. Once you get your website, you're going to want to link it here, and then you're going to want minimum 25 reviews. So obviously, if you're going to compete with Amy Thompson, you're going to need more than 64 reviews, but we recommend minimum 25. That's very important. Reviews obviously are very important. And then also the photos. So again, these photos and how they're saved. So you want to make sure that you have minimum 10 photos on your Facebook page, or on your Google My Business page. So looks like Amy's got well over 10. You want well over 10. You're going to want well over 10 photos, and you're going to want to make sure that you save those all with good content that Google's going to read and help you rank for. Very important. But that's what a basic Google My Business page would look like. I would highly recommend getting yourself one. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found on the internet. Anywhere. And so anywhere that EugeneFineHomes.com /Jamie Burch / that's going to give you a backlink anywhere that can be found. Well, it's really not in that many places because based on the research, it looks like you don't have any backlinks or any referring domains, and you have only 4 organic keywords. So that means that if people type in 4 different things, your website would show up. But what are those 4 things, and how far down are you? Are you in the 80th position on the 12th page? Because I don't think anybody's going to find you for that. So backlinks are very important. The thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that you're getting your backlinks from reputable sites that aren't spammy. That's key. So you just want to make sure that your backlinks are coming from good places. So do your homework on backlinks. And once you get some, you can see your domain rating here is a 4.7 out of 100, very low. That's going to help raise your domain rating, which is also going to help give you power and visibility as well to the public. So very important things. And if you have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, I hope that you find this video well, and I hope that you can take the time to implement this into your business to bring you some new revenue. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching.